Hello guys, this is Ray Chen. So today we're at one of my new listing, first open house in Rancho Santa Magareta in Orange County. So we did the first open house today. We had about 40 buyers walk through. Most likely we're gonna expect to get a offer either today or tomorrow, multiple offers. So if you have a home that you need to sell, doesn't matter where it is, we can get it sold for you. Uh, three reasons you should call me to get your home sold. Number one, we have the buyers in our system. We have 50,000 buyers. Number two, we can sell your home for at least 3% more than what the average realtors can get you. And number three, we can sell your home for at least 3 times faster than what the average realtors can get for you, can sell the home for you. So this home, it's again, we put on the market for only for a few days. This is our first open house. We had a big turnout. About 40 buyers came through. We're gonna expect multiple offers. So this is Ray Chen from Your Home Sold Guarantee Realty. My number is 626-789-5768. 626-789-5768.